How to fix deleted contacts still appearing on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to clear them out for good. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. From there, search for the specific contact you thought you already deleted. After that, if it's still there, tap on it. At this point, tap Delete, or the three dots followed by Delete, depending on your device. Following this, confirm the deletion. Once removed from your Contacts app, close out of WhatsApp completely. From here, long press the WhatsApp app icon from your home screen or app drawer. At this stage, tap App Info. Following this, tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could still be showing outdated contact info. At this stage, reopen WhatsApp. If the contact is still appearing after that, it might actually be a saved chat rather than a synced contact. Following this, open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. From here, find that specific conversation. At this stage, long press on it. Following this, tap Delete Chat, then confirm. That's how you fix deleted contacts still appearing on WhatsApp. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!